welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do new releases. It's been a while, it's been a minute since I did one, but I have a bunch that I need to show you. Well, not a bunch, but a significant few that I need to show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and open all of this up and get it out of the way. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is something I'm going to bring back to the shop because I've been getting lots and lots of DMs about it, and it's the Paycheck Scripts. I'm going to bring these back. So if you are interested in just buying washi and Paycheck Scripts, this will be listed on the shop. You can go ahead and find my shop down in the description box, or just type in Erika Life Blocks on Etsy and you'll find my shop. So this is going to be a comeback for one of the stickers I used to have. So this is the Paycheck 1 through 5, and this is the only sheet that I will sell. So if you're interested, it'll be up for grabs. So if you're interested, just look up on my shop. You can buy all the washi and just this, and like that you can build and structure your budget however you like. You don't have to be tied down to my kits. So that's the thing I wanted to bring back because a lot of you guys have been DMing me about these. Alright, next thing that I want to show you are that I'm also bringing back because you guys have just been going nuts because I do my daily check-ins. I'm going to bring back my expense trackers. I'm going to bring them back. I have them in the 7.9 and I mean the 7x9 and the 8.5x11. So these are gonna be the colors I offer. As you guys see in my weekly check-ins, I have my purple one for my sinking funds. I have a gray one in case you're interested in miscellaneous spending. Blue one I always use for gas, and then I have green for groceries. Then I have was it orange? I made orange just because, you know what, it's part of the rainbow. Yellow for laundry, and then red for unbudgeted. So these are the colors I'm going to be offering. It's the colors that you guys usually see on my weekly check-ins. So if you're interested in mine, they're here. These are on premium matte paper. This is the only difference than other shops, that this is all premium matte paper. So you got to remember that once you lay this down, this might not come back up. So these are a little trickier to use than the normal ones that you have out there. And then 4 new releases that I actually have is going to be my laundry time. As you guys know, I've been doing Plan With Me's. This past 2 weeks I haven't been uploading so much just because I'm busy with work, but I do have a laundry time right over here that I'm so in love with. So I decided I'd like you to make it into my shop. So if you're interested in just putting down laundry time in your planners, this is available. And then next thing that I have based on weekly check-ins are my nose pens. I was so tired of not being able to find my nose pen, so I was just like, you know what, I can just create it. So I did create nose pens. So if you're interested in my nose pen stickers, they are from my shop and you can find them in my Etsy. Link is always down below. So yeah, if you're interested in nose pens, I also have those that will go good with your weekly check-in expense trackers. Next, I also created something that I thought was so cute, and it is the grocery shop stickers. I decided to create these because I always got to go to the groceries from streams all the time, and so I put a shopping cart and then I put grocery shop in cursive and made it a sticker. I'll show you how these look in my little planner. I've been messing around with these, so yeah, this will be in my shop as well. And last but not least, this is something that a lot of you guys saw on my video and wanted to see if I could sell it, and it's my variable income budget kit. So as you guys know, I have variable income because of my online income, my affiliate income, that kind of stuff. So I did make myself a kit, and a lot of guys were interested because not everyone has like set paychecks. Everyone has, like, you know, up and down depending on your hours, if you're a part-timer, if you have like a side hustle as well. So I did create this. I will list it for October, November, and December because I do have all those kits. So this is my September one. This is purple. And all it does is has like variable income, and everything stays the same. Everything stays the same as my usual ones. The only thing that changes is the script up here. Instead of paycheck number 1, it'll say variable income. So yeah, that is that. And now let me show you how it looks. I have been working on a budget kit, not a budget kit, on a planner kit, and I did a Plan With Me but I thought it was like too late into the week to upload it, but here it is. This is the budget, the Why do I keep saying budget? This is the planner kit I've been working on, and I think it looks so pretty. But if you wanted to see how the laundry and grocery shop stickers, that's how they look. You got your grocery shop and your laundry. I'm gonna try to tweak the planner kit more because it is a little long here and here, so I want to make sure that I can have it, you know, ready to go before I sell it. So yeah, if you're interested in this, it will be coming. But yeah, that has been it. That has been all my releases, you guys. And like always, if you're interested in any of my other months, I do have October, November, and December. But yep, this has been my new releases, and I'm bringing back some goodies that you guys have been requesting. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.